hazvina kumira zvakanaka panguva ino munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Pari kuonekwa kunzi especially the week ratapasa iri kunokuonekwa kunzi patsakatika magenerals pakutosvika 3 panguva ine. Macircumstances zacho they are not clear. Even panguva ine statements which have been released, they are not explaining what really happened to these generals. Sana mina mashoko buda iri a warning iri kubuda panguva ine. Tichiona panguva ine it means a military genocide. Tiona the people they are complaining. Pachiti mafiro arikuita magenerals with Zimbabwe. Autoshamisa no subscribe or like on the bell icon. Comrade never masura said I'm make this post amukona budanyira chiti. Dear Sadc, a military genocide is being committed in Zimbabwe. Why will you fold your hands and continue being the toothless entity that you are? Since June 28, 2020, close to 100 retired military generals have been assassinated. Panguva ine do one poster these pictures amurukona generals, some of the recent deaths generals. Another post which could have gone on chiti Marshal Jacob Mjede, you were given slow poison. Effects appear later. Get it treated abroad. Only the truth is revealed. This is a life-saving warning. Never say we did not warn you. No a warning it could be kuna generals. Trend again as well. When this post it will post your alert generals and the retired. Listen, this letter is critical. A dark cloud is upon you. It reviews fully how Amazon is poisoning and eliminating you one by one. I released it publicly to everyone. Is a witness. When it happens, you cannot say you were never told. Doma developments arabuda pangwa ine arabushamisa viruzhinji. Moti za mafunguro enyu moti kubi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section yedu za mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.